Yo, what's up, man? It's J315 back again. Another sneaker review video for y'all, man. And today we got the Jordan 3 Special Edition free throw line joints on deck from my guy Trader Joe's. Just for y'all to see, we're gonna break this one down real quick. There's a couple things that's different on these joints, but we're gonna get to it real quick, and then we're gonna jump into it on foot, and then we're gonna push on to the next video. All right, Jordan 3 free throw line. Everybody knows that Jordan jumped from the free throw line. This is the shoe to commemorate that. Super dope. It's clean. It's basically a white cement 3, but you know, you got some hints on there just to kind of like pay tribute to that free throw line dunk, that very, very famous free throw line dunk. All right, so before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what y'all think about these joints. If anybody has them, let me know. Make sure you guys join the Discord, join up. It's dope. We are growing slowly, but it is cool. We got a lot of good people in there. And then make sure you guys follow me on that Instagram. The Instagram is popping. You know what I'm saying? I'm slowly ramping it back up. We're getting some shoes in. And then we're going to keep posting videos, keep posting pictures, reels, all that stuff. So y'all know this is a UA shoe. Just want to say that. This is not the retail, but if you do want the retail shoe, StockX and Gold prices on the screen. This one's kind of expensive. I think it's because it's a special edition and there hasn't been a white cement in a while. However, this one is pretty expensive. It's a dope shoe to have if you want to spend that type of money for it. But I mean, they're pushing like almost $1,000 for the special edition joint. I think that's kind of crazy for just a white cement, but I mean, it has some significance to it and the shoe is clean, so you can't complain. All right, Jordan free throw line. This is a special edition shoe. Super clean, and it really just pays tribute to the dunk contest that he won when he jumped from the free throw line. And I think he was going against Clyde Drexler or Dominique Wilkins. I can't remember exactly, but it was super dope. He was flying through the air. Everybody thought that it was like smoke and mirrors, but nah, he really can't jump that high and that far, and that was popping. It was super dope, man. It was just a dope spectacle to see in his early days. And that's kind of when they started calling him Air Jordan and all of that other stuff. But these are dope, very clean, white cement colorway. You got your white leather right here, which looks very, very nice. Got that nice grain on there. Got our red eyelets there. We got some flat leather with the perforated holes. And then, you know, you got this flat leather panel going around here and our signature elephant print. Now, we know that the UAs, they don't really be having the good elephant print. This has a little something on it right there, but I'm not really too worried about that. It's on the mud guard. I can at least say that the height is okay. The height looks pretty good considering now that they're doing this lower cut elephant print on the toe box. But you know, back then when they were doing this shoe, it was a little higher. But I will say that this elephant print right here is a little thicker. This is thick in terms of the black lines in the elephant print. I think that's a little thick, but it still looks good. I mean, the overall design is still there. The shape is still there, and it does look good. You got a white midsole right here with that black hint there. Super clean. You can't go wrong with a white cement 3. It's super classic, and it just looks good. Got our Nike Air on the back here, which looks really nice. You guys can see that right there? That's a part of that, you know, those mistakes that are made. And, you know, you got to remember, this is a whole sheet of leather. The elephant print is like a whole sheet, and they cut it. And you know, it has those pieces on there like that should be gray, those little 2 bubbles, but it's okay. I mean, it still looks good. The overall design is done well, and I can't complain about anything with the shoe. Now, one of the differences in this shoe is the outsole. The outsole is clear right here, so this is the clear outsole, but this left shoe has where his foot landed on the free throw line. That is where the free throw line was when he jumped with his left foot, gliding through the air on some Space Jam, before Space Jam. Like, and it was just super dope, y'all. It was dope to see him fly through the air like that. This leather, man, this tumbled leather, and y'all know how I am about my leather. Y'all know that I love me some tumbled leather, and this right here is just soft. Look at the quality of the leather. Very, very nice. You cannot complain with that. We got our tongue here with the Jumpman stitched very well. I don't really see any flaws with that. It looks good to me. This is the old style tongue. This is how it was stitched rather than seeing the new style. So of course they made a couple changes. This one has the red exposed, whereas the new style has like the leather over this lip and this red would be underneath, but that's neither here or there. Behind the shoe, we got the tag. This one says 147. and 10.5. It says 2017 there, so that's pretty clean right there. Behind the pull tab here, we have 3 minutes and 51 seconds. That is on both shoes, and that's pretty dope. Inside of the shoe, you have your Nike Air, and then you got your little 10.5. So very nice, very clean. Cannot complain about this shoe. It is so dope. It is a classic that was remade, just a redesigned classic. So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna go with a solid 9. I like this one a lot. I really like this one a lot. I have the black cements, and now I got at least a white cement. I don't have an original, but I do have the free throw line, the reimagined, and all of that. So I think it's super dope. The materials used, very good. I'll give it an 8.5 for materials used. I know there's some stuff, you know, you can't fight with the elephant print. It's gonna be like that if you get a UA, but it is what it is. That's all I got for this one, y'all. That's all I got for this one. This one is dope. I hope this review was informative for you. We're gonna jump into that on foot. Y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed. Enjoy this on foot, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. How many more videos I gotta do? I don't know why I do this to myself. I don't even know. This is the third shoe, I think. I think this is the third shoe. Anyway, beyond all that, we got the Jordan 3 free throw line joints on deck. These are clean. I mean, y'all saw the video. It's always good to have a white cement 3 on deck. You know what I'm saying? And these are dope. I don't think there's a specific batch for these from Trader Joe's. I don't know what kind of batch this is. I don't think it's an LJR batch, but it's a pretty good batch. I mean, the main thing is, you know, you're gonna get all of these inconsistencies with the elephant print. There's very, very few sellers that like get that completely accurate. I don't even think the newer ones are accurate. I think I seen the Cardinals recently, and the Cardinals kind of looked all right. It was something about the elephant print that was off to me personally, but you can't go wrong with white cement 3. You can't go wrong with it. I mean, it's a classic shoe. It's dope. Make sure y'all join the Discord. We're just gonna keep pushing forward. I still got another shoe to do. Come on, y'all, let's go. Come on, come on. I can't be doing this. I can't be waiting and doing my reviews. Like I really gotta, like, everybody that's been hitting me up like that really rocks with me, they've been like, yo, drop your reviews, drop your reviews. And I'm like, yeah, you know, I'll do it. I don't do it. I just got to get myself together. You know what I'm saying? I got to get myself together and really just start pushing reviews out as soon as I get my kicks. I don't know. It just is what it is. Join the Discord, though.